morning, everybody. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today we will learn how to use form control. This is the tutorial part 2 in Windows form. Today we will learn how to change the name of the form property. Okay, let's start. Right click on your form window and click to property window. In the property window, if your property window does not display, then go to the tool view and select the property window. Okay, now your property window is appeared. Select, right click on your form and go to property and change the text of the form is form 1 by default. I'm writing here tutorial part 1. This is the change of your form name is tutorial part 1, and I want to change the accept button property. Okay, now the accept button property is by default none. Suppose I have a form in which we can add two button control from the toolbox control, like the button 1 and button 2 pro. Okay, I want to make the default button is button 1, so accept button property of the form control is denoted to button 1, and click on button 1, display the message using message box class. Hello world. Okay, and the semicolon here. In the button 2, we will display the message box dot show hello world part 2. This is the default button. When I press okay, now run it again. Yeah, that is the tutorial part 1, change of the form name, and two button is button 1 and button 2. We are not clicking on the button using the mouse pointer. We are pressing the enter key. When we press the enter key, the default button is pressed, button 1. If you want to press button 2, the display message is hello part 1. If we enter the mouse key when we start the form, that is the default button selected, hello world. Okay, thank you very much for this Windows form tutorial.